Hello everyone, this is Pratap from Topper IAS. Welcome back to PYQ Analysis Series. In this video, we'll discuss one more important theme for geography mapping. Before that, observe these questions first. So there is a question on Strait of Malacca. Again, there is one more question on the strait which is linked to international dateline, and there is one more question on the straits. Okay, so by looking at this, we can say because the recent times there were many straits which are in news. Okay, because of these things, so the straits becomes one of the important topic in the geography mapping for UPSC. So first we have to understand what is the meaning of straits. So what is the meaning of strait? The strait is nothing but a narrow water body which connects two large water bodies or separates two large land masses. That is the meaning of strait. For example, if we talk about example, it could be Strait of Gibraltar, okay, which connects Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean, or it separates two large land masses. Okay, this is Europe and this is African part. Okay, specifically this is Spain and this is Morocco. So this strait is nothing but a narrow water body which connects two large water bodies or separates two large land masses. That is the meaning of straits. So in the recent times there were many straits which are in news. So one more point you have to remember is you have to work straits along with canals also. Important canals which are in news. So this also very crucial part. For example, it could be Suez Canal or it could be Panama Canal. Okay, Panama Canal or Kiel Canal, which were is news. Okay, because of various reasons. Okay, that one we'll discuss. Okay, one important states it could be Strait of Malacca, always in news. Strait of Malacca, it could be Strait of Malacca. Along with you have to work on the Strait of Bab el Mandeb. Then you have to work on the Strait of Hormuz. Okay, Strait of Hormuz, then Strait of Gibraltar. Okay, at the same time you have to work on the one more important strait is Strait of Kerch. So Strait of Kerch connects which two water bodies? If you know, it connects Sea of Azov with Black Sea. Okay, similarly you have to work on the important straits which comes in Turkey. So Strait of Bosphorus and Strait of Dardanelles, they become very important one which connects Black Sea with the Mediterranean Sea along Sea of Marmara, if you guys know. So this becomes very important ones. So please understand the straits are very important topic. So these things you have to make note of it and make a page notes on the important straits and where they are located and which two water bodies it connects. So that's become very important. Along with you have to work on the canals also. Okay, Panama Canal because in news because of the drought conditions, because the water level was so low in that canal. Okay, it was very difficult for the ships to transport the goods. So that was in news. Okay, Kiel Canal was in news, which is in Germany. Okay, because of the workers' protest. Then okay, Suez Canal, all of you know because of various reasons. At the same time, there was one more canal which was in news called as Ben Gurion Canal, which is in a planning stage. Ben Gurion Canal. So work on this Ben Gurion Canal as well. So this is it for the today's video. So in the next video, we'll discuss one more theme. For more such inputs, join our Prelims Challenge Series 2026. Okay, for more such inputs and for the regular tests along with daily tests and regular discussions. Okay, thank you.